In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quiz funnel in Systeme.io. We're going to build it directly inside your funnel so you can collect responses in a clean, interactive way. To begin, head over to your Systeme.io dashboard. Once you're there, go to the Sites section and then click on Sales Funnels. This will open the area where all of your funnels are stored. Next, select the funnel where you want to add your quiz. After opening that funnel, click Add Step. You'll need to give this new step a name, so type in a clear funnel step name that helps you identify it later. For the step type, choose Inline Form. Then select the option to start from scratch. This gives you a blank foundation, which is helpful when you want full control over how your quiz page is set up. After that, click Save. Now that the step has been created, click Edit Page to open the page builder. Inside the editor, click Elements so you can access the available blocks and widgets. From there, find the survey element and drag and drop it onto the canvas. This is the core element that will power your quiz funnel. Once the survey is on the page, click on the element itself and then choose Edit Survey Questions. This is where you'll customize the actual quiz experience. Click on the first question and type in your question text. After that, enter the answers you want people to choose from. If you need more answer choices, simply click Add Answer to create another option. If your quiz needs multiple questions, you can also add another question from the survey settings. Then click on that second question and edit both the question and its answers just like you did for the first one. When you're done setting up your questions, close the question settings to return to the main editor. Next, click on Final Step. This is the action that happens after someone completes the quiz. In that section, click the Click Here button to configure what happens next. You'll also see the setting that asks whether you want to enable double opt-in on this form. Review that option and set it according to how you want your funnel to work. This is important because it affects how contacts are confirmed before entering your follow-up process. Finally, click Save to keep all of your changes, and that's it. You've now created a basic quiz funnel in Systeme.io. If you want the best results, make sure your questions are simple, relevant, and easy to answer so visitors are more likely to complete the funnel.